Hey friends, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, I welcome you. I'm back, you guys, with a continuation haul. This is gonna be a Bath and Body Works haul. As you can see, my packages finally have arrived. Most of my deliveries are now trickling in this week. So I'm gonna unbox with you all the packages that have arrived today, and I'm super excited. So these packages do contain items from the new Disney Princess Bath and Body Works collaboration. So if you enjoy hauls like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel and also like the video. Let's get started. So I made a trip to Bath and Body Works today as I've been on the hunt for Diamond Shimmer Mist, and this particular store that I stopped at, you guys, they received a shipment of the mist that I was missing. So I'm so happy that I lucked up and caught the restock just in time for me to be able to swing by there sometime today. Hey Nagi. Right now, body care is buy 3 get 1. Definitely not the best deal, but if you watch my previous haul, you'll know that I mentioned that I was missing out on the Moana Diamond Shimmer Mist. The restock that they had, they only got 4 in, and I picked up all 4. This Diamond Shimmer Mist is very nice. Take a look at the packaging. And you guys, I love the Diamond Shimmer Mist from the Disney Princess collection. So I'm going to give this a spray. But first, let me share with you all the fragrance notes. Lush Green Palms, Plumeria Breeze, Coconut Water. So yes, you guys, let's test this out. I'm so happy because I thought that I wasn't going to be able to get my hands on this one, and I was just thinking there's no way they would not restock the Diamond Shimmer Mist. I just have to be patient and keep trying. So, ooh, this one is so green and aquatic fresh. Ooh, I see why this is sold out. I totally understand why Moana was really hard to come by. This one actually looks like it's more rose gold. This one definitely looks like it's more of a rose gold shimmer. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. And the scent is just to die for. Very tropical. I get the Plumeria floral in here. It's very light on the skin. It's not too heavy, but the fragrance is really fragrant. It's nice. It smells more green than fruity. I think it's a good combination though. It has a wateriness there also. This is beautiful. This is definitely beautiful, and I totally get why this one was really hard to come by. I really should have picked these up at the beginning of the release. So if you all are looking to pick up any of the Diamond Shimmer Mist, I say to be patient. Stores are restocking. You really just have to call and check to see what they've received in shipment for that day, or just ask for that particular item that you're looking for, and they'll be happy to hold it for you so you can pick it up. So I did the buy 3 get 1, where I picked up 4 of the Moana Diamond Shimmer Mist. I'm so happy. So that's everything for that bag. I'm gonna move on to more accessories to share with you all. These accessories are accessories that I failed to not be able to get my hands on during day 1 of the release, or even that same week. So I'm gonna unbox these with you all. And I'm just gonna adjust my camera just a little bit. There we go. Okay, you guys, so I was able to catch a restock of the Cinderella pocket back holder. This is her carriage. So beautiful. And I would say this one is the number 2 favorite out of all the pocket back holders. Belle's pocket back holders seem to like really flew off the shelves. And second, I would say, would be this Cinderella carriage, which is gorgeous, you guys. So there is a button somewhere on here. I'm not even sure where the button is. Actually, where's the button? Oh, it's here on the back. Let's see. There. Oh my gosh, that is so gorgeous. I love this. So I totally understand why this one also went extremely fast. Everyone wanted to get their hands on this one as well. I was one of those people that really wanted to grab this one, but I was not able to snag this one. So I at least was able to catch a restock online, and I placed an order, and these were also free with rewards. So I was really ecstatic about at least being able to share this with my daughter. And yeah, I picked this up. I'm gonna bring this a little closer. You see the silhouette of Cinderella inside the carriage. I love the gold like pumpkin stem on here. This has a lot of detail to it, and it even has like the stem actually looks like a real pumpkin stem. It has like the lines that you would typically find in the stem on a pumpkin. That's actually, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it does have like the stem lines. I love the gold detail on the wheels, and her wheels have like jewels. Oh my gosh, this is just too gorgeous. I'm gonna cut this on again because I love to play with these items. So pretty. I'm gonna say this one is my favorite pocket bag holder. I like this one better than I do Belle's. This one is gorgeous, and you have the Disney princess on the back, and you stick your pocket back inside here. So I think the color selection is gorgeous. Love the light blue. I cannot wait to attach this to the gold tote bag. I think that is absolutely gorgeous. I've seen pictures of others where they've paired this with their tote bag, and oh my gosh, it's just too cute. So yes, I picked up that, not one, here's another one. I picked up 3 of the Cinderella pocket bag holders. So that's, oh, I got another item. And also here was a free body care item. I think it was like free for under like $9.95 or something like that. I had a coupon. So I decided to pick up the Cinderella Fine Fragrance Mist in the mini. So that's what that looks like. I love the scent Cinderella. That's everything for that box. I'm gonna reposition my camera again because I have a large box that I am just over the moon to unbox with you all. Be right back. Okay friends, I'm back, and please excuse my voice. I've been really struggling with some sinus issues. As we're getting closer to spring, I really start struggling, and I need to take some medication because my sinuses are getting to me. Okay, so on to the excitement. As you can see, you probably already know what I'm about to unbox. I was really excited to be able to purchase this item. In store, I was not able to pick this up, but once I seen this come available online, I had to have it. I did debate, honestly, because the price point is pretty steep, and once I saw it in person, and I also started seeing unboxings and also others sharing photos on Instagram as well as YouTube, I caved. I had to have this piece as part of my collection. I collect candles, and I love Bath & Body Works candle holders. I love the different types that they share with us by season, and I think this is the most special piece, a part of the Princess Disney collection. Oh my gosh, you guys. So let's get on with unboxing this big box here. Okay, I'm glad to see that they put bubble wrap in here. that shows some effort. Okay, I'm gonna remove this big box here. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, this is the 3-wick Disney carriage holder. So let me get this open real quick. It seems to be packaged really nicely. I just hope nothing is broken on this piece, as I have seen some others receive their carriages and there have been mishaps in shipping, and that's just unfortunate. So let's take a look. I'm so excited. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna take this plastic off. It is very well packed, sitting in the styrofoam. So, oh my gosh, you guys, this piece is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so here we go. This is the carriage. So much detail on this piece. This is the prettiest candle holder that I own, I must say. Oh my gosh, and it's heavy. So this is not a light piece. I love the carriage lights on the outside. Very pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys. I also love the roses, the white roses on the wheels here. So cute. You have the Disney princess tag here, and I love this jewel. So pretty. So look at the bow here, very cute. There was no way that I was going to skip out on trying to get my hands on this 3-wick candle holder, because I have so many candles and I just love watching others place their candles on top of here. And the special part about this piece is that it does have a button on the back here. And you will have to install like batteries for your light. I don't have any batteries at the moment. I could place some in here. Let me go grab them. I'll be right back. Okay, friends, I'm back and I've installed the batteries for the carriage. This is what that looks like. So I'm just gonna pop it on. And you guys, take a look at how gorgeous this piece is. I've never seen a candle holder with such detail. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I'm sorry if I'm like kind of wobbly because this thing is heavy. Let me set it down so I can readjust my camera for you guys. Okay, you guys, I've readjusted my camera. So this is what that carriage looks like lit up. I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit. Okay, there we go. So yes, I wish I had a candle handy to set on top, but I am in love with this piece. All the lights light up around the carriage. I don't see any imperfections with this piece at all. So I'm happy everything arrived intact. The lighting is beautiful and it's actually pretty bright in my opinion. The lighting is perfect. So this would give a really nice ambiance to a princess room, like for your daughter, even if you have a princess room decorated in your home. This is absolutely stunning, stunning. So I'm really happy to be able to have this piece. The price is pretty steep as I did pay full price. I used my 25% off coupon day one of the release. So I just had to bite the bullet and just pay full price because I wanted this as part of my Disney collection. So I'm super happy about this. Comment down below, what are your thoughts on this piece? Did you all pick this up? possibly waiting for it to arrive. I would love to know. Shipping has been awesome, I must say, in my opinion. For my area, I haven't had any issues with shipping or any broken pieces, and it's so unfortunate that those that have received broken items, Bath and Body Works need to do better with packing better. I know that items do ship from different warehouses, and those particular warehouses that are just throwing items in boxes without styrofoam or the bubble seal, that's totally unacceptable. So Bath and Body Works really needs to buckle down and work with their warehouses, the ones that are lax with not prepping these beautiful items to ship out, preventing damage. They do have a great replacement / return policy if things do arrive broken. Only conflict with that is if it is a limited edition item, it's possible that it's sold out and they wouldn't be able to replace it. So that's a super letdown in my opinion. So this was the final piece of my online items that arrived today. I'm going to reposition my camera for the final time to give you all a final visual of everything in this haul. Okay friends, I'm back with the final visual of all the items that I picked up and also unboxed in today's video. So I shared the Cinderella pocket bag holders. I picked up 3. Also, my favorite piece is the Cinderella 3-wick candle holder. I also picked up another mini in the Cinderella fine fragrance mist, as well as 4 of the Moana Diamond Shimmer Mist. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's haul. Are you all still waiting for packages to arrive from the Disney release? I would love to know. I have totally overspent on this collaboration, but I'm really happy to be able to be a participant and able to enjoy these items. It's all about being happy and I have no regrets. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye.